When it comes to hot hatches, there are three very coveted letters, G, T and I. And some of the most affordable fun on four wheels has proudly worn the GTI badge. And Peugeot, well, they have got form. This is the new facelifted 308 GTI, but I suppose the question is, does it deserve its badge? Its turbocharged 1.6 litre might be smaller than many of its competitors, but the 266 brake horsepower performance model has more horsepower per litre than a Lamborghini Huracan. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 6 seconds and its top speed is 155 miles per hour. Being front wheel drive means that it needs to be able to manage its performance. A Torsen limited slip differential helps keep things under control. Not simply another fast French hatch, the 308 GTI was engineered by Peugeot Sport, who have won championships in just about every motorsport. Decades of rallying, victory at Le Mans and a return to Dakar has made it a household name. Recently, the team has turned its attention to road cars, first with the 208 GTI and now the 308 GTI. Some hot hatchbacks shout about their performance with huge wings and bonnet scoops. Yes, Honda Civic Type R, we're looking at you. However, the 308 GTI takes a more subtle aesthetic approach. Its wide grille is black and the boot-mounted spoiler is a neat and subtle addition. It retains the sophisticated look of the standard 308, that is, unless you option the blue and black two-tone paint. Whilst £28,590 puts it in Volkswagen Golf GTI territory, the Peugeot comes with more toys. Distinctive 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights and tinted windows are all standard. Inside the minimalist cabin you will find a 9.7-inch touchscreen display featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto at no cost. Every car also gets a pair of Alcantara and leather sports seats. A hot hatch needs to be all things to all people, something for enjoying on the long way home, but also do all of the day-to-day stuff. The 308 GTI has this covered with a 470 litre boot, and there's respectable seats in the back too. Peugeot has put an emphasis on comfort with a ride supple enough to deal with lumps and bumps. There isn't much road or wind noise in the cabin and it feels reassuringly stable at high speeds. For more on the Peugeot 308 GTI, head to uk.motor1.com.